Hi, I'm Mary Grace Mangantulaw, born on October 29, 1985, 37 years old, married. I have two sons, 11 years old and 16 years old. I graduated at Bachelor of Science in Business Management, major in Marketing Management. I'm from Philippines. I work in family for almost 2 years. I make sure that their house is neat and tidy. I am friendly, energetic, and energetic with children. I assist the children with daily activities. I know how to cook. I am positive and hardworking and willing to learn more. Um, I am more patient for the kids, and I know how everything household choir. I can do all of it. And thank you.